If your outlet is missing a faceplate, fixing it quickly is super important for safety and style. Okay, so first things first, always turn off the power at the breaker before you mess with any outlets. That's like step 1 to keep yourself safe. Next, grab a replacement faceplate that matches the size and style of your outlet. These are cheap and easy to find at any hardware store or online. When you get the new faceplate, line it up over the outlet so the screw hole matches perfectly. Use a screwdriver to tighten the screw gently. Don't over-tighten, because you might crack the plate or damage the outlet. If the outlet looks loose in the wall, you might want to tighten the screws holding it there too, so it stays put when you screw on the faceplate. Also, if you notice any cracks or damage on the outlet itself, consider swapping out the whole outlet, because damaged outlets can be a fire risk. When you're done, turn the power back on and test it by plugging something in to make sure everything feels solid and secure. Keeping your outlets covered not only stops dust and dirt, but also stops little fingers from poking around where they should not. One of the biggest problems with missing outlet faceplates is safety hazards like electric shocks or sparks, which happen because exposed wiring is dangerous. Fix this by always replacing faceplates immediately when they go missing. Another common mistake is using the wrong size or type of faceplate, which can leave gaps or look sloppy. Make sure you pick the right fit, standard or decorator style, to avoid this. Third, people often over-tighten screws on faceplates, leading to cracks or broken plates. Just snug them up gently and stop once they feel secure. Fixing these issues quickly keeps your home safer and looking neat without much effort. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who can handle everything from simple fixes like installing outlet faceplates to bigger renovations. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.